Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain why Korea is considered exceptional. We'll explore its vibrant culture, from the global phenomenon of K-pop and K-dramas to its rich traditional arts like pansori, which offers deep historical and emotional experiences. You'll discover how Korea seamlessly blends ancient traditions with cutting-edge modernity, creating a truly unique societal fabric. Get ready to dive into the heart of what makes this nation so compelling and influential worldwide. Next, let's talk about Korea's impressive economic strength and technological advancements. This nation consistently ranks among the top global exporters, driven by its powerful industries. Think semiconductors, automobiles, and shipbuilding, all contributing significantly to its prosperity. Furthermore, Korea offers widespread high-speed internet access, with average speeds often exceeding 100 megabits per second, making it a leader in digital connectivity. It's a true powerhouse of innovation. Moving on, Korea's commitment to education and quality of life is truly remarkable. Its highly competitive education system consistently produces a skilled and innovative workforce, driving national progress. Cities boast excellent public transportation and modern infrastructure, ensuring convenience and efficiency for residents. Moreover, healthcare services are universal and highly accessible, providing comprehensive care to everyone. These factors combine to create a high standard of living for its citizens. Finally, let's consider Korea's growing global influence and unique lifestyle. Korean cuisine, featuring delicious dishes like kimchi and bulgogi, is celebrated worldwide for its incredible flavors and health benefits. The country's soft power extends significantly through its cultural exports and strong international relations, shaping global trends. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed learning about Korea.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.